Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit.
Hey Logan, welcome back to the channel. What's good, what's poppin'? So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twist out on this taper cut, honey. This is my updated cut finally, so I'm here to show you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is deep conditioning our hair, and I am applying a little heat to this hair so we can penetrate the hair follicles. And then now I'm going in with the dew. I'm using I think it is the co-wash shampoo conditioner type of situations all in one, y'all know the process. And I'm using my shampoo brush. I got a new one from Walmart, baby, and I'm loving it. Like, it's really really relaxing. That's the word I'm trying to look for. I couldn't find it there, but it's so relaxing. But anyway, I'm also detangling my hair while I have this co-wash shampoo conditioner situation in my hair, just so it'll be easy for me to rinse out and I have less of detangling process through my shampoo. Y'all know how it goes. So now I'm done with that, y'all. I'm looking like Don King. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't come for me in the comments because I'm looking crazy. Crazy. All right, so I'm just going ahead and put some of that curling, twisting cream or butter on my hair. Like I said, guys, you know the dew is just a one-stop shop for everything, so that's why it's like a quick go-to, especially the best product for traveling with. You don't need a lot. So I am applying this all over my hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to section this hair out. Like I said, this is my updated cuts, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to section this hair out. I'm not going to let y'all see me go through the struggle all the way, but I'm trying to section out so I can figure out where I'm going to start to twist or make it easier for me to twist, because I'm not sure where I'm going to go with it. Okay, and so when I'm done, this is how it looks. I kind of came up with something, all right, like, you know, something. So I'm just going ahead and putting extra curl cream on the back, which is the short ends, which didn't get into the sections because they're super short. So I'm just going to grab here and finger coil as much as possible, or even if it's long enough, I'll grab 2 strands and try to twist it and get it as curly as possible. But yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing, just finger coiling and twisting my hair. And yeah, now this time I'm in the front half, so I just want to show you guys how I am doing it now. It's closer to the front. And what I don't do as much clean parts as I usually do when I have my hair longer, because it's just Russian roulette right now with my short hair, just trying to get the grasp, the concept, and how to make it work, you know what I'm saying, how to make it pop the way I want it to pop. But yeah, I'm just grabbing here and twisting, and if I feel like I can get another section out of a section that I've made, then I just go ahead and do it. I just twist according to the size for the curl that I'm looking for when I take it out. Because you know, when you two-strand your hair, honey, if you do some big chunky two-strand twist, you know your hair is going to come out big, and chunky is not going to be as defined if it was smaller. So that's what I'm pretty much doing, trying to make sure I can catch as much definition as I can with my hair. Okay, so I'm just twisting, and yeah, let me know down below if you guys have any ideas for videos for my new taper cut, because I'm very interested. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair looks now that I'm done twisting it. It's not too crazy, just simple, you know, basic. I'm looking like something out the 90s, you know what I'm saying, a little Jamie Foxx, you know, Wayne's Brother type of vibe. But you know, it's still gonna be cute, sis. So I'm going ahead and putting my oil in my roots, because I still want my hair to grow, and you know, I still want my scalp to be moisturized and hydrated. So yes, I'm still keeping the same process, the same techniques, same methods that I would do as if my hair was longer, guys, because we need to make sure we have growth. We got to take care of our hair. We're starting over, okay? Got to keep it popping, okay? Health is wealth, baby. This is the final look, y'all. I laid my edges down and everything. I'm feeling the twist out for sure, okay? This is my first time, like I said, doing a twist out on my hair, all right, with this cut, period. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do other videos, other things to my new taper cut, let me know down below. I'm thinking about doing a wash and go next. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys subscribe for one, okay? Why you not joining Glow Gang? I don't know why, okay? And 2, make sure you thumbs up this video so I know that you're interested in videos like this, because sis, how am I supposed to know? Who's gonna know? Like, who's gonna know? Like, really, who's gonna know? Okay, so go ahead and do that, and comment down below which products you think I should use for my wash and go if you are interested in a video like that. Should I use foam? Should I use gel? Let me know, because I don't know, sis, and I really want to try it. So let me know, guys. And until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.